If ChatGPT ever gives you weak, generic, or confusing answers, the problem usually isn't the AI, it's the prompt. In this guide, I'll show you simple ways to ask smarter so you get clearer, more useful responses every time. The fastest way to improve answers is to be specific. Instead of saying, give me marketing tips, try, give me 5 marketing tips for a small online clothing store. Details help ChatGPT understand exactly what you need. Before asking your question, explain your situation. Mention your goal, audience, or skill level. Even one sentence of context can completely change the quality of the response. If you want a list, say list. If you want steps, say steps. If you want a script, say script. Telling ChatGPT the format makes the answer cleaner and easier to use. Don't try to do everything in one message. Ask for an outline first, then ask for details. Then ask for improvements. Step-by-step prompts almost always produce better results. If the answer isn't perfect, don't start over. Just refine it. Ask it to shorten the text, simplify the wording, rewrite it professionally, or add examples. Yeah, follow-ups are where the best answers usually come from. You can also guide answers by saying what you don't want. For example, say, keep it short, avoid technical terms, or no long paragraphs. This helps ChatGPT match your style faster. ChatGPT works best when you treat it like an assistant. Explain what you want, guide the response, and refine it step by step. The clearer you communicate, the better the answer becomes. And that's it. Better prompts, clear context, and smart follow-ups. That's the secret to getting great answers from ChatGPT every time.